Okay, so the quilting's finished on that first row. As you can see, it did it flawlessly. It all looks really good. And it came up and it said, cut the thread. Okay, so I've cut the thread. I pulled it off the quilt and cut the thread. I'm going to move it back just so that it's on here. See how it, I mean, you have to do this with your hands. It's not completely hands-free, of course. Hard to do with one hand. And I basted it on so it's on there. And I'm going to show you guys what it does. It's faster for me to move it myself, but I'll show you. So I'm going to cut the thread. And you'll notice it's going to go all the way back. The green dot is the start of the stitching pattern. See there? There's the first one and there's the second one. So I'm going to tell it okay. And it's going to move all by itself to the start of the stitching pattern. Now I imagine that this clamp is going to get in the way over here, so let me move. Get that out of the way. And I use these clamps here too. These seem to help. Uh-oh. Now look at that, see? Robot X axis error has occurred, and that's the long way, and that's a tension issue. So I'm going to tell it okay. And I'm going to pull up the bobbin thread and straighten this all out and get back to you. Okay, so yeah, that was just a tension issue. I probably shouldn't have removed the clamp, but what happens is the base of the machine will bump it. But anyway, so we're off and running again. You can see that clamp moving up as the machine. I know there's a way. I probably need to leave more than 4 inches space. And where you saw it going up into the other top pattern, that is my hot mess from my poor quilting. I'm going to pull out eventually when this thing is all finished. But it's nesting the pattern nicely with the one above it. And we're not having any skip stitches or anything, so I'm really happy with it.